Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio here, but we are also going to talk about what is going on in the marketplace. It seems like the market is doing some wild stuff, and I'm going to talk to you about maybe my strategy around that and what to expect. But who knows? You know, maybe it's just a slump in the marketplace, but it looks like it's bleeding. But before we do that, we're just going to update you guys on the portfolio. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So we will get right into it as soon as it loads. Boom. So today, our portfolio closed out at $3,034.20. We broke the threshold of $3,000 without putting any money in. There's just some growth in there. So for the day, portfolio is up $35.14, up 1.17%. For the week here, we are up $54.82, up 1.84%. For the month, we are up $94.45, up 3.21%. For the 3 months, we are up $176 or $174.64, up 6.11%. For the 1 year, we are up $389.20, up 14.71%. And for the all, we are up $389.20, up 14.71%. First position we own is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE, closing out at $54.92. We are up 2 cents on the day, up 0.04%. We own 2 shares of this, total position value of $109.84. Our average price of getting in is $58.05. And it holds about 3.65% of the portfolio. Today it's up 4 cents, and our total return since owning the position is down $6.26, down 5.39%. This is the position we'll be updating on Friday. Every Tuesday we do initiate a transfer of cash into this, the $100 a week, and I'll show you the proof right here. Look at that. I didn't have to look over there. I just looked at the camera, which is awesome. So next position is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing out at 104.90, up $3.06, up 3% on the day. We own 5 shares of this, total position value of $524.50. Our average price of getting in is $81.32, and it holds about 17.43% of the portfolio. We are up $15.30 on the day, and our total return since owning the position is $117.90, up 29%. Next position we own is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, closing out at $74.10, up $2.02, up 2.8% on the day. We own 7 shares of this, total position value of $518.70. Our average price of getting in is $54.58, and it holds about 17.24% of the portfolio. Today's return was $14.14, and our total return since owning the position is $136.65. Next position we own is Loblaws, ticker symbol L, closing out at $61.77, up 35 cents on the day, up 0.57%. We own 6 shares of this, total position value of $370.62. Our average price of getting in is $63.27, and it holds about 12.32% of the portfolio. Today's return is up $2.10. Total return since owning the position is down $9.01, and down 2.37%. Next position we have in here is Manulife Financial Corporation, closing out at $24.44. Don't forget, ticker symbol is MFC, down 18 cents on the day, down 0.73%. We own 17 shares of this, total position value of $415.48. Our average price of getting in is $19.26. It holds about 13.81% of the portfolio. We are down $3.06, down 0.73%. Total return since owning the position is $88.04, and that is up 26.89%. Next position we have is Royal Bank of Canada, closing out at $112.17. Ticker symbol on this one is RY, up $1.10 today, up 0.99%. We own 4 shares of this. Total position value of $448.68. Our average price of getting in is $106.74. And it holds about 14.91% of the portfolio. Today's return is up $4.40. Total return since owning position is $21.71, up 5% on the since owning position. Sorry. Next position we own is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T, closing out at $25.78, down 9 cents on the day, down 0.35%. We own 15 shares of this. Total position value of $386.70. Our average price of getting in is $26.25. And it holds about 12.85% of the portfolio. We are down to $1.35 today. And our total return since owning the position is down $7.04, down 1.79%. Last position we own is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, closing out at $78.03, up $1.19, up 1.55% on the day. We own 3 shares of this. Total position value of $234.09. Our average price of getting in is $71.94, and it holds about 7.78% of the portfolio. Today's return was up $3.57, and our total return on position since owning the position is $18.26, up 8.46%. So that is the portfolio. We're doing really great. It's growing amidst the crazy market we had today. So the question I think everyone is asking is, are we in a correction? Are we heading for a bear market? What's going on? Is there a massive sell-off? Is there going to be a continued sell-off? And let me tell you, I have no idea. I have no clue. The market was super volatile this morning in the first 10 minutes. I think my portfolio, like my whole portfolio, not this one specifically, because this one's obviously up. As you can see, altogether it's up $35.14 today. This is not what actually happened in the marketplace. This is just in the dividend stocks that I hold, most of it in banks. And the reason being is because banks, these banks specifically, all these banks are in their earnings season. So what they are doing is reporting their earnings, and they hit their targets for the most part. And that's why they went up. To give you an idea, like Bank of Nova Scotia was up 2%, BMO up a total of 3% on the day, which is super fantastic. But we're here to talk about the market. We're here to talk about like Apple, Tesla. Like Tesla was down 2.19%, down $15.66 per share. You can imagine what that can equal out to if you own multiple shares of that. Apple is down, those things. The tech sector is being hit hard, specifically any tech stock in the market. The NASDAQ is down. I think it was down 2% last time I looked, but today it just dropped. But we did have a V recovery. And what that means is on the graph, if you look at the graph, it creates a V shape in the marketplace. And then it was just a soft day. And it's been happening for the past 2 weeks, a slow bleed. This is my prediction. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. So do your own due diligence or seek out a professional. And this is for obviously entertainment purposes only. First time I've ever said that. But what essentially is going on is it created a V-shaped recovery. So what that means is it drops sharply during the first 10 minutes of the trading day, and it recovered and created a V-shape in the graph, in the lines, in the lines. Yeah, let's just call it that. And then it was just a soft day in the market. A lot of companies were down 1 or 2%. They did recover, but it wasn't any growth by any means. So last week, you could see that the week was bleeding out slowly. And I think it's going to continue to bleed out slowly throughout the year, which is a great buying opportunity. And so And now it's kind of just spilled over to this week, and there was just some news and things that, you know, were kind of catalyst to this. But I think that this week is going to be like a little bleed off continually, day by day, month to month, and then by the end of the year it'll just be a very soft year where there aren't going to be big gains like the past couple of years in 2020, 2019, where there was massive growth in a lot of sectors. And so here is my strategy for this. This is my opportunity to get into companies or increase my position in companies that I truly, truly, truly believe in. That even though the stock price is down, that the fundamentals of the company continue to grow, because we're kind of in a time where the stock price of a lot of companies has fundamentally detached itself from the company. For example, Apple was down today for whatever reason. I don't know why, but you can, based off of last earnings report on Apple, they destroyed their targets. Tesla, same thing. Last earnings call, it was a mixed reporting, but they pretty much hit their targets, and it's still going down. Another example is Square. Square reported mixed earnings as well, but pretty good, and it dropped like crazy. Another popular stock that a lot of people are speaking about on YouTube and stuff like that. And it's funny because I know a lot of people come to YouTube for investment advice, which is sometimes, I don't know, but Palantir. I had a position in Palantir back in Canadian Thanksgiving. When I was at I bought it at $14.99. They hit their earnings, which was great. And you look at them today and they're like $25 or something like that. But this is where investing actually happens, where if you are in the growth side of things when it comes to investments and stocks, this is where you can increase your position in companies you believe in and not speculative companies like other companies like the psychedelic sector, the marijuana sector, which is, I guess, not a speculative, but it is a sector now. And so my strategy moving forward, and today was kind of the eye-opener for that, was now is the time to increase my position in positions that I already own, but in companies that I definitely believe in, that have strong financials, strong fundamentals, and continue to grow throughout these times. And so when it comes to dividends, the thing is, for me, when it comes to like this specific portfolio, is that this portfolio performed because of the bank stocks, because they are reporting their earnings and they are strong earnings. They've hit their targets, and they were up like 3% year over year from last year around this month. Because right around this time is when last year we had a 30% market drop or whatever it was, and people were panicking. But now it's that time to put our heads back on, come back to reality a little bit, and actually look at investing and not quick quote unquote pumps and dumps, and really looking at fundamentals of the company. And so this portfolio is a dividend portfolio, and so we'll continue increasing our positions in these specific positions, and also maybe adding new positions. We have $25.59 in cash. Obviously we did deposit $100 today. I showed you the proof already. And we are going to be increasing our position in Bell Canada, because I truly believe in that company. I believe in all the companies I invest in. I am a man that likes to bet on certain companies, not as much as other people do. It was funny. I was talking with a friend today, and he was just saying that he is pretty much numb. He has a numb feeling to the FOMO feeling now, because in the past few months, it's just been FOMO after FOMO with a lot of companies. And now he's just kind of numb to it. And I felt the same way. And now it's just time to actually look into the company and see what they're doing. Are they creating profits? Are they creating a product? Are they adding value to the marketplace? Because if they can add value to the marketplace, that is what's going to create a great return from that company and a great return for yourselves. And so that is kind of my spiel on the market. That is my prediction on the market as of today. and my strategy moving forward. As we continue, if we continue to have these red days, I will be putting capital into positions that I really truly believe in, and not so a little bit less in the speculative side of stuff and hype stuff, because a lot of it is hype. I believe that I see it on YouTube a lot, and sometimes I disagree with certain things that are said, but I'm sure you guys will do your own due diligence, and you will do you, and you will invest the way you want to invest. But it's always okay to play it safe, as it is in this portfolio. I think it's safe. I mean, you take a look at this, and that is a staircase if I ever saw one, and it just keeps going up as you continue to invest in this your own portfolio, just like this one, because it keeps going up regardless of me putting money in or its growth in its own portfolio. It's gonna keep going up. I'm gonna make sure of that. I'm gonna keep putting money in there, because that's what this channel is about, where we build a dividend portfolio. And I'm gonna start doing a spreadsheet to show you year over year growth. When it comes to the dividends, specifically dividends, we will have dividends at the end of the month here coming in, and we'll have a video for that. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and have a great week. Don't let it get to you. If the market is doing its thing, it is the market. You're going to experience more of these in the future as you continue your investing career or life or journey, whatever it may be. But again, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.